Question number 19. Y is less than 5x plus 6. Okay, an inequality is given. For which of the following tables are all the values of x and their corresponding values of y solutions to the given inequality? So solution means when we plug in the values of x and y, it should satisfy this inequality. So inequality is y is less than 5x plus 6. Okay, let's check it for option A. First coordinate is 3 and 17. So checking for this, plugging in x as 3 plus 6. Okay, 5 3s are 15 and 15 plus 6 21. 21 is less than y. Correct? True for this one. Let's check for the second one. Y. Okay, so second option is 5. Now I'm checking for 5 and 27. 5 times 5 plus 6. This is the left hand side. Okay, 5 5s are 25 plus 6. It's 31, which is less than 27. Okay, correct for second option too. Let's check for third one. 5 times 7 plus 6. Yes, that is 41, which is less than 37. So all the options of A are correct. Okay, so that means A is the correct option. And let's check for B and C also, just to be sure. So now we are going for the second one. Our inequality is y is less than 5x plus 6. So y is less than 5x plus 6. Now I am plugging in y as 3. So 5, 3 plus 6. 5 3s are 15 plus 6 21. Okay, that was the coordinate for the first part too. So we checked, it is satisfying. Perfect. Now let's check for the second option, 5 and 35. So I am plugging in x as 5 in this equation itself plus 6. 5 5s are 25 and 31. Oh, 31 is less than 35, so that is not the correct option. B is not satisfying. Now let's check for C. So our equation is y is less than 5x plus 6. Third option is 3 and 25. So I am plugging in 3. So 15 plus 21, okay, y is 25. First coordinate is not satisfying. No need to check the others. Now let's come to D. D is y is less than 5x plus 6. Okay, so I am checking for the first one. 5 times 3 plus 6. This is 21. So 21 is equal to 21, not less than. So D is also not the right option. See, option A is correct. We found that in our first attempt only, but I was just showing you that okay, rest of the options, if they are not working, then what can be the condition if it is not working. So I hope that is clear.